Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis, and it's Wednesday, and that means it's time for the Wednesday review. This is when I like to review things that I've either just bought or things that I've been using for a while and would like to let you know whether they are good or bad or what my opinion of them are. And one of the things that we have, I'm out of breath. One of the things that we have is an old futon, which is a round back, and we use it for setting. And it's also can be, laid out as a day bed to relax, to watch the stars. But the mattress was no longer any good, so we had to replace it. So I wanted an outdoor mattress, something that if it got rained on, it wasn't really going to ruin it. So I found on Amazon a futon mattress that was a camping mattress also. So this is what the box looks like. So we're going to open that up and see what this thing actually looks like once it's opened. Now the box is fairly lightweight. I had no trouble carrying it upstairs. And the reason we're up in this room is because everything I read says that it needs to air out a few days to pluff up, to get plumped up enough to use. So let's open this box up and see what it looks like. It's supposed to be a blue, because I love blue. I'm sorry, but that's my favorite color. You could have gotten it in different designs and stuff. Now, I don't plan on leaving this out all the time. So they say this comes with a carrying case that you can put it away in. So we'll see what kind of case it has. One box for the cats to play with. Oh. Definitely packing that tight. Okay, that's what it looks like once out of the bag. These are also called Japanese floor mattresses. You can use them to have for guests. They're good just to lounge on. They have a nice feel to them. It's reversible. This side has more of a velvety feel to it. Comes with this nice bag that you can put it in for storage. Comes with the straps to help when you roll it up to keep it tight. And hopefully it will fit my futon out there. Okay, this is the futon frame that I was talking about that I bought the mattress for. I want to paint it, get it going back up to par, and then we'll put the mattress on it and see what it looks like. Alright, this is what it's going to look like once it's on. It's actually quite comfortable. I haven't painted the frame yet. I wanted to make sure this was going to work before I went to all the trouble. But I think I'm going to really enjoy sitting out here with it. And we plan on putting it either in the bag in the house or in the new little shed when he finishes it. But right now, I'm pretty pleased with the way it looks. So I'm going to take this back in and we'll see if it fits in the bag. And then I'll come out here and paint the frame. Okay, as you saw, it fits nicely on the futon, but getting it back into this bag is another problem. First of all, they give you these straps and they don't have any instructions on how to fold it up or how to get it to size to fit into this bag. Also, your buckles are called ladder back buckles, and if you've never worked with them before, you probably don't know how they work. So it's very simple if you actually know how to do it. What you do is you take it into your strap and put it through the center part and then up and over the teeth on the top. And then no matter how hard you pull, that's not going to go anywhere. And to release it, you just pull that up like that and they come out. Now, what I found is that this thing takes quite a bit of pressure. So I have already made my buckles in. So all I have to do is pull it tight once I get it to the width that I want. Now, this bag, you notice, it's not that big, really. So I have to figure out how to get it in. It's not going to roll up just simply like this. It's going to have to be folded in half first. Like so. Which is easy enough. Now the hard part is getting enough tension to get it so it fits into this bag. And that is the hard part. It almost takes 2 people to fold this sucker up. That's like any sleeping bag. It doesn't want to fold as tightly as it should. Okay, I got it into the bag. It was a struggle. It did not row. I had to actually fold it over on itself 4 different times to push it into the bag. And then I had to put the straps in the center because that's where all the bulk was. And one of the complaints about this online was that the zippers broke easily. And I can see why. You have to make sure that you really tighten up that bag inside quite tight before you can ever get these zippers to even start. And there's still some tension, not very much, but a little bit of tension. So if those straps inside should give, that's going to make that zipper really pop, I would think. So that is one thing I have a con about it. I think the bag should have been a little bit bigger and the zipper should have been a little bit more heavy duty. But as far as the mattress itself, it's comfortable. It's I wouldn't want to sleep on it permanently, but it would be nice for having kids over, or and they want to sleep on the floor with their, you don't have an extra bed. It would be good for that. If you had to go camping, it's good for that, better than the ground. And it'll work perfectly on that little futon mattress out back. And plus it's got a nice little bag. It's going to keep everything clean. And I can store it either in the house or in that little shed, and it's going to stay clean. So overall, I think it's a good purchase. So now to go out and paint the futon. Like I said, I got this from Amazon, and I'm pretty pleased with it. We'll see how it wears in the meantime. I'm not leaving it out there permanently because I don't want the cats all over it, and I don't. That's what happened to the last one. It was out there, the cats got on it, it got all covered with fur, and it got impossible to clean. Plus, cats scratch on it and rips the fabric in the rain and this. So this one I'm going to just take out when we go out there. We don't go out to the back that much, but it's nice to be able to reach into the shed and pull out some cushions and be able to sit and enjoy the outdoors back there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something. And remember, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.